Hello, welcome back. This is the first video of a series about reverb. Today, we're going to explore a technique to apply reverb to a track in just the right amount. If you know the name of this technique, let me know in the comments. For now, I will call it the Perfect Fit Reverb. I created this loop using the native plugin drum synth. Let's route it to a mixing track. On a separate track, load the native Fruity Reverb 2. Mute the dry slider and reset the wet knob. Next, select the drum channel. Right-click to sidechain it to the reverb channel and load Fruity Synth. In the Send To menu, click to route it to the reverb. Since it's a pre-fader send, the reverb will still receive the entire signal even when you drag the mixer fader all the way down. The volume knob on the Fruity Synth controls the gain being sent. We'll modulate it with the envelope of the input signal using the Fruity Peak controller instantiated before the send. Right-click on the volume knob on the send, then select Link to Controller. In the Internal Controller section, select Peak Control, Peak. This technique involves sending only a portion of the signal to the reverb. Turning off the reverb allows us to hear the signal being sent, which we can adjust using the peak controls. We can increase the level slightly. Comparing with and without the technique, I'll match the levels for a fair comparison. Separating the kick from the rest of the mix will likely result in a cleaner sound. Now, let's encapsulate this setup in a patcher patch. This way, we can easily change the reverb being used. Load patcher in the channel where you want to apply the reverb. Instantiate Reverb 2 or any reverb plugin of your choice. Load the peak controller. Load 2 instances of Fruity Balance, one for input peak gain, one to control the dry amount. Now, I'll create a nice interface for the patcher patch.